Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure diversified portfolios with JP Morgan. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure diversified portfolios with JP Morgan, start by assessing your investment goals. Understand your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Determine whether you are focused on long-term growth, income generation, or capital preservation. Next, gather information about JP Morgan's portfolio options. Explore their various asset classes, including equities, fixed income, and alternatives. Access their portfolio analysis tools, which can provide insights into potential returns and risks. Consider using the JP Morgan Investment Insights platform for added resources. Once you have a broad understanding, select a mix of asset classes that align with your investment objectives. Incorporate U.S. and international equities to enhance diversification. Allocate a percentage to fixed income to provide stability in turbulent market conditions. After determining your asset allocation, evaluate specific investment vehicles. Look into mutual funds, ETFs, or managed accounts that align with your chosen asset classes. Dive deeper into their historical performance and fees associated with each option. Next, set up a regular schedule for rebalancing your portfolio. This ensures that your investments remain aligned with your initial asset allocation over time. Consider market changes and personal circumstances when making adjustments. Utilize JP Morgan's research and analysis to stay informed about market trends. This will help you make data-driven decisions about your portfolio. Finally, review your diversified portfolio periodically. Ensure that it continues to meet your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to configuring a well-diversified portfolio with JP Morgan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.